What's up, everybody? Matt Maran here, and this is the 2020 Ford Explorer ST. And as you can see, it looks really good here, especially in this red color. I love the ST trims, get the blacked out grille, the blacked out Explorer badging, and also the blacked out headlamps. So as far as engine, this is going to be running the 3-liter EcoBoost V6. It does 400 horsepower in this version, 415 pound-feet of torque. It has a top speed of 143 miles per hour, they're saying, and should be very impressive performance-wise. Now, there's going to be two different packages. There's a street pack and a track pack version that both have differing levels of brakes, they say, and otherwise it's still just the same great all-new Explorer, which I talked about in a weekly update previously, but it's just a really nicely done SUV. It seems very nice and spacious, a nice step up on a rear-wheel drive based platform now, although all ST models they're saying are going to be all-wheel drive. No option for a rear-wheel drive ST, at least at this time. But anyway, it's still very nice on the inside here. You have these sport bucket seats, very luxurious, of course, here, being that it's an Explorer. You still have plenty of creature comforts there, and those seats have the cool, color accenting as well there with the silver. And then you have this flat bottom heated ST steering wheel as well, which is redesigned. You also get standard digital gauges here on the Explorer ST version as well, which is great, although they weren't lit up here. You also see that very controversial 10.1-inch tablet-style screen there in the middle, which, still is a little iffy, but all the other materials inside here are very nice. Everything feels really premium. Everything looks very nice. It's all very fresh and different, too. Doesn't look like a copy from any other Ford or anything. Plenty of storage space here in the new Explorer as well. You have a new wireless charging pad there right towards the back of the armrest, which is a very cool inclusion as well. But, I mean, all the actual metal and everything actually feels really nice and high quality. I was really impressed with just how well everything felt in this interior. You also have a very spacious second row there. This one has the captain's chairs, but of course you can have 3 across if you want there, with a normal bench there. And then also the third row. And now it was pretty dark, so you can't see the legroom super well, and I apologize. Wasn't great lighting here at this show, but it is actually a ton of space there in that third row. Probably one of the roomiest third rows I've ever encountered in a vehicle of this class, and so it should be really great and very usable third row seats regardless of how large you are. Also, they revealed a hybrid version which uses a 3.3 liter naturally aspirated V6, and they're saying that one should have over 500 miles of range between fill-ups. I think it's about 313 horsepower on that one. But anyway, so that is the Ford Explorer ST. No price was given yet, but they did say they're going to be on sale this summer. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.